Hi everyone. I would like to introduce this small hack I did. Basically, a big chunk of that happened when I was waiting for a cypherpunk retreat shuttle in Berlin, and then some some stuff happened yesterday. Um, so what is this? What are you looking at? It's a calendar app. You can probably see that it's a calendar, and well, you can use it as a calendar. So you can click and create an event. You can view existing events, and you can have multiple calendars. And you can also click on a calendar and then view all the events, past and future, in that calendar. And so that's it. Where the magic happens, or why is it interesting, why you should care, is that it also allows you to share the calendars. And sharing is easy. So let's create a new calendar. Let's call it hello. Let's give it a color. Now we have a calendar. You can create an event in the calendar. First event. Gonna do it all day. Tomorrow. What else can we do? We can set up a notification reminder. We can set some description. And well, we can also have a category. So let's call it mundane. I don't know. And we can add a URL. So I'm just going to do waku.org. And then you can create the event. You can see it here. If we go to the calendar view, it will show up. Now, the important part is that we can now go, we can share the calendar. Enable sharing. Calendar sharing configured. Share copied. Share link copied. So now if I go to another browser window and I paste in the URL and I open it, I'm starting with a fresh calendar view. And you could have noticed that there was nothing here and it showed up. It synced. So the calendar is added, it's synced. I can view it. It's the same stuff. I can also go back to my calendar here and I can edit the event first. Edit it, right? And I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go back here. And as you can see, it synced. Everything is public, nothing is authenticated. So I can also do this, edit it again. So now I'm in the other window, the subscriber to that event, and it will sync back. So obviously anyone can edit and add to your shared calendars right now. That's okay. Now, how does it work? How does it actually work? So you can see here, we are using Waku, and these are the calendar UUIDs, so a unique identifier identifying the calendar. And for each of them, we create something called Waku Reliable Channel. This is based on SDS, Scalable Data Sync, which is basically a way for Waku users, for apps built on Waku, to understand whether they have seen all the messages for a particular channel, right? So the SDS comes with some information like causal history, so some hashes of messages that should have had come before this particle message, and then some Bloom filters to know whether you have seen everything or not. And so we are basically creating a SDS channel for each calendar, and then when someone joins the calendar, like here, they would basically know, have I seen everything? And they could query other people sharing the calendar, hey, give me my missing messages, please. And by that, we can maintain this state of knowing and of having all the events and having all the state updates to the calendar and to the events. And yeah, that's basically it. As I said, everything is public, nothing is encrypted. There is no authorization, so whenever you share a calendar with someone, they can edit it as well. if you share it publicly. If you share it with Chair, with Aaron, you will get a lot of Moldova-related events. I don't know why. Maybe he really wants to go. So take him to Moldova. But that's it, basically, right? So a calendar app where you can share calendars and you can use a very cool feature on top of Waku called SDS and reliable channels. Thank you, and see you later.